Welcome to a rapid teardown of the Metricom Utilinet IWR Series 2 radio. As we get this thing open, we pull the screws off of it. The first thing you're going to notice is the processor board. It's got a processor, some flash memory chips, and a big EEPROM, a DIP component that I pulled out, stuck in my flash EEPROM reader, and dumped the contents of the firmware so I could take a look at it. It's also got a couple jumpers on it. One of these jumpers, if you move it over, it puts the whole thing into a diagnostic mode, which gives you access over the serial port to a bunch of cool commands. The other board that's inside of it is this radio board. I found this radio board very interesting because all the components on it that make up the radio are separate. So in newer parts, newer devices, the radio chip will sometimes be like a CC1020, that's what's used in the newer meters, and it's got a transmitter, receiver, and everything that's needed inside that chip. But this technology was before those chips existed. So this whole board is all the separate components you would see that are drawn on an architectural diagram inside that chip, but they're all on the board as separate parts. And so you can basically tap into this radio at any point before a receiver, before a mixer, a PLL, anything, and all that stuff's here. There's also some lightning surge suppressors that are in here to prevent any surges from blowing the whole thing up, which is pretty cool. I'm on TikTok and Twitter as well. Those handles are down in the description. Follow me over there for some more content as well. I'll see you in the next Rapid Teardown.